The 2011 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.